There is one habit that you're doing that you need to break right now. There comes a time when we need to say, enough is enough. What am I talking about? Well, stick around and you'll find out. I will reveal this one habit some point during the video. But for now, it's time to get ready for the spring. The last time I wore these clothes was like 2 years ago because the last spring, I was super pregnant. So, you know, when I wear some of these shirts and dresses, if things look a little, imagine that's my belly. Just be easy on me, okay? I just had a baby 7 months ago, but I'm still using it as an excuse. Wow, I look cool. I look like one of the Gen Zers. I'm not cool like a Jay-Z. I'm cool like a Gen Z. Surf's up, dude. I'm not fat. I'm big boned. Jordan? Oh, the camera's still on? Simple, typical mom shirt. I'm not like one of those other moms. I'm a cool mom. Is it bad that I picked up this shirt on the side of the road? Because I'm the baby now. So we all have habits, right? Some of us have the habit of drinking coffee in the morning. Others may have a habit of eating fast food on a regular basis. The habit of eating ice cream every day at 3 o'clock. Oh, is that not normal? Does not everybody eat ice cream every day at 3 o'clock? just sounded so normal to me. Well, there's many different habits that we have in life, good and bad. And there's even habits in the way we buy clothing. Some of us online shop, some of us go to the store and try clothes on, some of us grab our best friend, bring them with us and make it a shopping party. But we can very easily get into bad habits in the way that we shop. And I've realized that the way I've been shopping for the last 3, 4, 5 years is not the best way. I'm gonna try in a few more outfits and then I'll show you why. Hey mom, it's me. Yeah, beautiful daughter. My mom doesn't think I look good in yellow. T-shirt dresses are the best. I love this color. Yep, that's me.
Yep, that's me.
If I made a t-shirt line, what should they say? Tell me in the comments. I'd make a good businesswoman. Have it on my desk by 9 a.m. or no 3 o'clock ice cream for you. Jordan! Nope, can't try on shorts. My legs look like the Amazon. For the next few dresses that I try on, pay attention to what is the common theme in my clothing. Every woman you'll ever know will get super excited over pocket dresses. Oh my goodness, and there's even pockets! Ah, I look so good in yellow dress and tees. Another dress with pockets. I'm not like one of those regular moms. I love, 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 love this dress. It just makes me feel pretty. I feel pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay. Apparently I can do opera. This is a big video of lots and lots of dresses. I need you guys to do me a huge favor. Can you go to the comment section and tell my mother how great I look in yellow? So you probably got it by now that my common theme is flowers. I'm always buying shirts with flowers. And not even just flowers. Patterns in general. I wear these weird sprinkle looking things. Apparently I wear mini sharks. And I'm sure you do it too, right? Because these patterns, they're cute. They look good on us. We feel colorful and fun. Look at any clearance rack. You will find the funky patterns. They're everywhere. And even though I have all these fun patterns, I always come back to wearing shirts like this, plain Jane. Why? Because they're so versatile. I can take the same black shirt and I can pair it with 3 different scarves, 3 different cardigans, and you probably would never even guess that I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore a couple days prior. You just can't do that with the patterns. Okay, so what is this habit that you need to break? Stop buying clothes just because they're on clearance. If you wouldn't have bought the shirt anyway at full price, perhaps because it's not your style, then don't buy it on sale, because then you're bringing home clothes that are just taking up room in your closet and you know you're not going to wear them very often. Really think about what you like. What in your closet do you end up wearing the most? Do you find yourself wearing a lot of polka dot shirts? Then just stick to buying the polka dot shirts. Don't go and buy stripes just because they're on sale when you know you already have striped shirts in your closet that you never wear because stripes just aren't your thing. Remember that some sales are sales for somebody else. Just because it's a sale doesn't mean you have to have it. A sale is only a sale if you're actually going to get use out of it. Who the heck cares if this photo frame is on sale if you don't even have one thing in your house that it would match? I mean, I like the floral dresses, but I just don't feel like I can wear them too many times in a row or people will notice, And that's why I tend to stick to my plain shirts. The point I'm making, buy not just what you like, but buy what you know you'll actually wear. Do you just love videos like this? Well, while I put these back into my closet, why don't you check out this next video? I think you'll like this one. I'll see you there. Bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay.